Good morning, cadets. In last few classes, we have covered two modules, that is NCC and National Integration. These two modules are from common syllabus. So as we know, NCC syllabus has been divided into two. One is common syllabus, another one is specialized syllabus. So today we will be concentrating on specialized syllabus, that is armed forces. That is the first module from the specialized syllabus. So in this armed forces, I have divided into three parts. The first part is about armed forces, Navy, Army, Navy and Air Force. Second part will be the role and task of Army and other services. Then the third part is of role and task of Central Armed Police Force. So today we will be discussing about armed forces, the organization, the ranks and awards given in Army, Navy, Air Force. So we will go through the PowerPoint. Armed Forces Part 1. The aim of today's class is to acquaint the cadets with the basic organization of Indian Armed Forces. In this module, we will be going through introduction, Part 2 Army, Navy and Air Force, Part 3 badges of ranks, Part 4 honors and awards, Part 5 conclusion. Army. As we know, the Indian Army's origin was from the British days. In 1947, when India got independence, the Indian Army was divided into two. Then after the continuous expansion and upgradation till now, India has an army of the third largest in the world. It has undertaken numerous successful operations after 1947. Some of the operations are Kashmir operations against Pakistan in 1947-48, Sino-Indian War in NEFA, that is Northeast Frontiers, Arunachal and Ladakh in 1962, Indo-Pak War of 1965, Indo-Pak War of 1971, Sri Lanka operations in 1987 to 1990, that is the Operation Pawan, Kargil War in 1999, that is known as the Operation Vijay. Indian Army was guarding all the frontiers, whether it is desert or Himalayan terrains or for the terrorists in the jungles. Indian Army is the land-based branch and the largest component of the Indian Armed Force is the Indian Army. The President is the Supreme Commander. It is headed by there is an integrated defense service. Then there is Army, Navy and Air Force. The Army headquarters is headed by the Chief of Army Staff. It has the responsibility of training, operations and administrations. Below, it is been assisted by Vice Chief of Army Staffs. It is the second senior most in Army, officiates in the absence of Chief. Then there are 3 Deputy Chief of Army Staffs. They report to the Chief of Army Staffs. Then there are PSOs, that is Principal Staff of Officers. They will be in the Army headquarters They advise and assist CEOs in their respective fields. Then there is Head of Arms and Services, Head of all arms and services responsible for matters pertaining to the arms and service. The formations of Army, the highermost formation is the Army Headquarters. Below there are commands. At present there are 8 operational commands and 1 training command. Below the commands there are corps. Below the corps we will find divisions. Below the divisions it is brigade. This is the fighting formations of Indian Army. Commands, 8 operational and 1 training commands are there in Indian Army. They are headed by Lieutenant General called Army Commander. They are assisted by 1 Chief of Staffs and several Principal Staff Officers. 2 to 3 corps under each operational command. And it is the highest fighting formation. These are the Army commands. First one, it is Central Command, situated its headquarters in Lucknow. Eastern Command, its headquarters in Kolkata. Northern Command, headquarters at Udhampur. Southern Command, headquarters at Pune. Southwestern Command, headquarters at Jaipur. Western Command, headquarters at Chandi Mandir. Army Training Command at Shimla. The integrated headquarters of Military Defence Command, it is situated in New Delhi. The Strategic Force Command, it is in Kolkata. And the Andaman Nicobar Command, it is situated in Andaman Nicobar Islands. So these are the Army commands. This is field formations I had already discussed. Corps commanded by Lieutenant General holding, they are below the commands and they are holding strike crops. 3 to 4 divisions are under the 1 corps. Then division is commanded by Major General. Classification is based on the operation role. Below the division you will find brigades commanded by a brigadier, highest formation and role. There will be 3 to 4 battalions and 6 companies under brigade. Navy, the Chief of Naval Staffs will be headed by Admiral. The integrated headquarters is located in New Delhi. The Navy secures Indian maritime borders and divided into 3 operational commands. As we know, we have water surrounded 3 sides of India. The eastern side we have Bay of Bengal, the western side we have Arabian Sea, and the southern side we have Indian Oceans. And it is the 7th largest in the world. The naval commands, similarly we have 3 commands. Western Naval Command is situated in Mumbai, Eastern Naval Command at Visakhapatnam, and Southern Naval Command at Kochi. Air Force, air arm of the Indian Armed Force, the 4th largest force in the world. Aerial warfare during conflict. Chief of Army Staffs is headed by Air Chief Marshal. Consists of 3 branches. Air Force consists of 3 branches, that is Air Staff, Administrative and Maintenance. These are the 3 important branches of Air Force. Air Force commands operationally divided into 2 operational commands and functional commands. In operational commands we have Central Air Command, the headquarters situated at Allahabad. Eastern Air Command operational headquarters, it is at Shillong, Meghalaya. Southern Air Command, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Southwestern Air Command, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Western Air Command at New Delhi. The functional commands are 2 Training Command, that is situated in Bangalore, and Maintenance Command at Nagpur. Now the part 3, badges of ranks. The common military ranks are already divided into 3. They are commissioned officers, then junior commissioned officers and non-commissioned officers. All the army sipais who are recruited comes under non-commissioned officers. They can be promoted up to junior commissioned officers. All the officers of the defense force comes under commissioned officers. So this is the common military ranks of Navy, Army and Air Force. We have Navy, that's the Admiral of Fleet. Army, the Marshal or Field Marshal, and for Air Force, the Marshal of Air Force. This is the highest 5-star officers of 3 wings. For Navy is the Admiral of Fleet, Marshal for Army is a Field Marshal, and for Air Force, Marshal of the Air Force. Below that we have for Army is a General, below General, Lieutenant General, and Major General, Brigadier, Colonel, Lieutenant Colonel, Major, Captain and Lieutenant. So equivalent of Army officers ranks you can find for Navy and Air Force. The Army ranks, the first the recruitment, any sipais will be having no signs, they will be having an empty putty. Then Lance Naik will have 1 line mark, for Naik 2 lines, for Havildar there's 3 lines. Above Havildar you have Quartermaster Havildar. So up to this it is non-commissioned officers up to Quartermaster Havildar. Then Naib Subedar, Subedar and Subedar Major. These 3 comes under junior commissioned officers. Naib Subedar, Subedar and Subedar Major. Above that, from Lieutenant onwards it is commissioned officers. So Lieutenant will be having 2 stars on their shoulders, Captain 3 stars, Major 1 Ashok Stamp, Lieutenant Colonel star and Ashok Stamp, Colonel 2 stars and Ashok Stamp, Brigadier 3 stars, Ashok Stamp. Then we have Major General and Lieutenant General and General. So these are the badges and ranks of Army officers. Then we have Navy. These are all commissioned officers only. Sub-Lieutenant, Lieutenant, Lieutenant Commander, Commander, Captain, Commodore, Rear Admiral, Vice Admiral, Admiral. And Admiral of Fleet is the honorary rank. For Air Force, we have Flying Officer, then Flight Lieutenant, Squadron Leader, Wing Commander, Group Captain, Air Commodore, Air Vice Marshal, Air Marshal, Air Chief Marshal and Marshal of Air Force. Honors and awards. So these are some of the honors and awards given in India. The common one are Gallantry Awards of Armed Force, then Padma Awards. Padma Awards we know Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan Awards. Then we have President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service, President's Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Distinguished Service Awards of Armed Force, Governor's Police Medal for Gallantry and Distinguished Service, Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Investigation, Antarik Suraksha Seva Medal, Police Seva Special Duty Medal, Parakram Padak, Kabir Puraskar, Common Harmony Awards, Communal Harmony Awards, Fire Service Medals, Home Guard and Civil Defense Medals. So these are the common awards which have been given in India. So the armed forces of India are awarded many military decorations, honors and awards. The awards and honors are awarded for extraordinary bravery and courage, as well as for distinguished services during times of war and peace. Indian Armed Force honors and awards can be divided into 2 categories. One is Gallantry Awards and another one is non-gallantry awards. Gallantry awards are also of 2 types. gallantry awards in the face of enemy, that is at wartime gallantry awards. So the first one is the Paramveer Chakra. So this is the medal given for Paramveer Chakra. Then Mahavir Chakra. This is the medal given for Mahavir Chakra. Below that comes Veer Chakra. This is the medal given for Veer Chakra. Then we have Sena Medal, Nausena Medal and Vayu Sena Medal. So Sena Medal is for Army, Nausena Medal is for Navy and Vayu Sena Medal for the Air Force. So these are the medals given for all the three Sena medals. Then we have Chief of Staff Commendation Card. So this is the Chief of Staff Commendation Card. Then we have gallantry awards other than face of enemy, that is peacetime gallantry awards. They are Ashoka Chakra, then we have Kirti Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. These are the three awards given at peacetime. Then non-gallantry awards or distinguished service medals are Sarvottam Yuddha Seva Medal and Parama Vishishta Seva Medal. Then Uttam Yuddha Seva Medal, Adi Vishishta Seva Medal, Yuddha Seva Medal, Vishishta Seva Medal. So these are some of the non-gallantry awards or distinguished service awards. Thank you.